How to transfer Westjet Dollars. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnas, and today I'll guide you if and how you can transfer Westjet Dollars. Well, first things first, can Westjet Dollars be transferred? Well, you are allowed to transfer Westjet Dollars of any amount to another account holder for a fee of $50 to $59 per transfer. The fee must be paid with a credit card at the time of transfer. How you can transfer it? First, you want to open up your Westjet account. Then you want to head into the accounts tab. Here you'll be able to see your Westjet Dollars, right? You can see I don't have any. But once you have one, what you want to do is you want to click on Manage Dollars. Once you click on Manage Dollars, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and tap on Transfer, and you want to go ahead and transfer it. So this is the way that you can transfer your Westjet Dollars. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.